Hi, I'm Kelly McWhorter, your instructor for Fall 2019 Business Communication. We're going to look at the syllabus and how to navigate Course 10. Hello everyone, I'm Kelly McWhorter, your instructor for Business Communication this Fall 2019. And we're going to go over the syllabus. Of course, we have the contents. And the next page is the wolf pack. And this will just show that you have read the information in the syllabus and that you agreed to abide by the policies that are stated in the syllabus. You will need to go into Course 10 to sign this pact via the survey that's in Course 10. Now the next page is my information. I have office hours per se, even though my office is not located on campus, but I can meet you if you would like to make an appointment on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. And if we need to do it at a different time, we can work something out. There's my contact phone number and the email, kelliem@westgeorgia.edu. I prefer you to use the westgeorgia.edu email instead of the one in Course 10. And here's information about the course. I hope that you guys will read this. The delivery methods. Each week you will need to go in and complete activities that are listed in Course 10. They need to be completed unless otherwise stated. They need to be completed by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. except for the attendance question, which is due each Wednesday, no later than 11:59. Now the following are the learning goals. I hope you guys will look over that so you know what your learning outcomes will be for this course. And the textbook. Textbook is actually an electronic textbook that you will need to purchase. The price is $80. This gives you access to all the course activities in MH Connect. MH Connect is the one that has this book, and you will follow the link in Course 10 to purchase the book. The book is $80, like I said. You do not need a hard copy because it is an electronic version. You can purchase a hardcover if you like. It does give you a 2-week free period so that if something happens, you need to drop the class, you can get the book for 2 weeks without having to pay for it. It's a courtesy. And then after that 2 weeks, you need to purchase the book if you plan to stay in the class. And other requirements is Microsoft Office 365, PowerPoint 2016, and of course a webcam because we're going to have some video presentations. The course policies for attendance. Yes, we will be taking attendance. It is an online class, but however, as mentioned before, each Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. you need to go in and do the attendance questions. The attendance questions are worth points. I believe it's 10 points. So try to get the full 10 points. Don't just do a little bit and get like 2 points because these can add to your final grade. So if for some reason you miss more than 2 attendance questions, your grade will be lowered by 1 letter grade, and you will also need to take the optional final exam at the end of the semester. So you need to make sure you do those attendance questions before Wednesday of each week. Now this will start next week. Professionalism. Of course, when we do our discussions, any type of email, make sure you're professional to each other as you would in a company or business environment. Professional documents, make sure that they are saved with the extension .docx extension. A lot of people have Macintosh, Apple computers, and they'll send me a .page. That will not work. You need to have it in the .docx extension, which is on the Microsoft Word. When you deliver presentations on webcam, make sure that you look at least business casual. Don't wear hats or t-shirts. Make sure that you are professional. You don't have to wear a suit or anything, but just make sure that you are presentable. And also meet every deadline. If for some reason you can't meet a deadline and it's a verifiable emergency, you need to email me at kellym@westgeorgia.edu or call my phone number that's listed there. Okay, and the next couple pages are the assignments. And as you can see, participation is a big bulk of the points, 800 points. Then you have a team project, which is 725 points. You'll have some individual projects and course assessments, which are basically your course activities, quizzes, and your exams. And of course, the grading for the university. And then we have a type of a course calendar. For this week, you have several activities to complete by next Sunday at 11:59. You do not have a attendance question this week. So things you need to do is sign up for remind.com. Look at this video. I hope you're looking at it. And then there's going to be a quiz. The new student information survey. Upload your photo to CourseDen and your University of West Georgia Gmail account. You have a personality quiz and reflection survey, business communication pre-assessment survey, and then log-on procedures for McGraw-Hill Connect and how to navigate through CourseDen. And then the most important one is create an introduction video on MH Connect about your personality, qualities, and teamwork skills. And all this information is in CourseDen. And then it tells you at the bottom what is exactly due on Sunday. And it's basically what I just read out to you. Then each week you'll have this information. As you see, there's some things that are in yellow. That means that they are due a little bit earlier. Most of these things that are due earlier are the discussion boards. And that just means that they're due most likely on a Wednesday by 11:59. So you can scroll through that and see all the different items that are required each week. So that is basically the syllabus. So I hope you guys will read through it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or call me or text me, whichever works for you. And we are going to have a great semester. Thanks.
Okay, this is CourseDen, and when you click onto your class, Business Communication, you are going, sorry about that. You're going to see that there's always announcements over here. Like today, I had to say orientation video, check back at today, Thursday, by 5 o'clock. But what I like to do first is to go to content. And you can scroll down and you can click on week 1. And this will give you all the items that you need to do throughout the week. And another item is the checklist. It will let you check out things that you've completed. And as you see above, the status bar, and the percentage is getting higher as you complete items. Let me unclick that. You can click back on week 1 to go back to the other items that you need to complete. Always click here before starting week 1, and you will see this most likely every week, to click here before starting. It will give you an idea of what is going to be shown in MH Connect also. So I like to go back to content. And now I'm going to go to the MH Connect, which you can do with this on the left side of the page. And both of these are the same link, so either one will work. and you would hit the connect button to go to MH Connect. This is where the majority of your items need to be completed after you sign up for the book. And this is the book. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to put it in student view so you'll see, so that I'm showing you what you will see. Okay, and you have week 1, week 2, week 3. Now this should mirror what's in Course Den. Introduction to Course and MH Connect, see Course Den. This should say all the same things that are in Course Den also. But there's some items that you cannot do in Course Den that you have to do on MH Connect, and that's why we lead you to this, to the e-textbook, which is MH Connect. So most of you have registered on Remind, and then this is the video for the course orientation. There's the survey, the pre-assessment. All of these items are in Course Den. Now to create your peer activity review, that'll be done after you create your personality video. And you will begin here. And it should connect you, and it will tell you everything that you need to do for your video. Now you do not do the video until after you have done your survey to figure out what your personality letter combination is. And I usually hit the back button. Let's see, my thing is a little crooked there. If I want to go back to the week that I was in. And then next week is going to be your attendance week. And that's where you will click on and do the attendance question, and it should be right here, and it's due by Wednesday 11:59. And it's just basically a simple little quiz to do. Make sure you try to get the whole 10 points, and you can keep doing it several times till you get the whole 10 points. But you read this and then you drag this to whatever box it goes in, and then you would check your work and submit right here. If you need to go back, you can actually click right here for return to MH Connect, which will actually make you go all the way back to Course Den. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. As we've already gone over the syllabus, you should see that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.